This is practice A for section 7.2. We're going to look at the back of the worksheet. We're going to go up to number 19. So in exercises 16 and 17, we're going to copy and complete the statement with either a less than, a greater than, or an equal sign, if possible. If it's not possible, explain why. They want you to compare the measure of angle J with the measure of angle R. And here's how you're going to do that. Notice how angle J is across from the biggest side on this triangle. Same thing with angle R. So we could use these side lengths to determine what kind of triangle this is, whether it's right or obtuse. And if that's the case, then that's what this angle would be. If it's acute, obviously, then this angle is acute as well. So let's look at the numbers 10, 24, 26. 5, 12, 13 is a very common triple, and if you multiply 5, 12, 13 by 2, you get 10, 24, 26. What that means is that's a right angle. Likewise over here, 8, 15, 17 is another common Pythagorean triple. If you multiply them all by 2, then you end up with this. That's a right angle as well. So these are right triangles. So when you compare angle J with angle R, these are equal. Now, also what that means is angle K and angle L are both acute angles, and together they're complementary. So angle K and angle L together must add up to 90. Because you already got 90 degree angle there, you need 180 total. Likewise over here, angle S and angle T, they're complementary as well. Now, there's no way for us to tell necessarily, with the skills that we have right now, which angle here, or what these angle measures actually are. But we know together they're 90. That's the important part because we're adding them. Number 18, what type of triangle has side lengths of 4, 4, and 4? Well, if the side lengths are all the same, then it's equilateral. And if you have an equilateral triangle, the only possible angle measure for each one, since all the angles would be the same, would be 60. 60, 60, 60 adds up to 180. Every equilateral triangle in the world is acute. There's no possible alternative for that triangle. Number 19. What type of triangle has two of the three angles with measures 24 degrees and 105 degrees? Well, just because you only know two of the angles doesn't mean you can't find the other angle measure. And to be honest with you, I don't know that you even need to do this. I think we can figure out what the answer is right now. But anyways, these add up to 129, obviously, which means you have 51 degrees left for the other angle. So what kind of triangle has angles 24, 51, and 105? It's not acute because that's an obtuse angle. And it's not a right triangle either because none of them are 90. If you have one obtuse angle, that's really the indicator there. If you have one obtuse angle, the triangle's obtuse.